Hey guys. Sorry, we made slime. Or she did right now. So we just, mix the water.
We're getting his slime ready. If you guys want to come listen to what my slime sounds like, come over.
Well, I don't think they can right now because I have to hold these upside down so they exquisite more.
Well, we'll show you what it's like when we're done.
Give me 1 second. We're gonna try a little
Oh, go fix it down.
So here we go. Listen.
Okay, this is your half cup of water, right?
Listen. Whoop. Dad, listen.
Is that what you guys want?
Yeah.
Yes.
It is.
Yes.
Okay.
It's so stretchy. What's Julian have to say about it now?
Full.
Huh?
That's fine.
Like I said, again, it doesn't matter.
Cool.
We're all working together here to end up with
Stretchy.
2 batches of slime. That is all we're trying to do. And your guys' bottles of glue are done.
Except for hers. Yes.
What good does it do to sit there and hold it upside down for that long and then let's tip it right side up again?
4 seconds.
Look it. It jiggles,
Well,
but it's still slow.
but seconds could screw
Alright,
up the
here you
whole
go.
deal.
Here, Brian.
Okay, guys.
Thank you, Daddy.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Like I said,
Hers is blue, but mine's gonna become red.
Mine's blue because I like blue.
Wait, red and
just give
blue.
me 1 second.
Oh yeah, I have to stir.
Here's the other thing too. Both have different colors.
Won't argue over it.
Yay!
Doesn't matter.
Oh crap.
And plus, we are gonna add sparkles sometime, but not right now because we just got done making it.
Yeah, hers.
Like literally, we tried to watch this video.
Holy!
Look how stretchy it is.
Holy crap!
What's Julian have to say about that? Now we actually made it by ourselves.
Yeah, we actually did.
It is stretchy. Look. You just have to grab it at the right spot and look at all those bubbles.
You guys need to print that
Pull through it.
recipe off or put it somewhere.
I'll do that when I'm done.
That way, if we ever make it again, we only need borax, glue, water.
Borax,
Okay.
glue, water. Borax, glue, water. Borax, glue, water.
Ready? Dad.
That's what you guys are aiming for, right?
Yes.
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 Yes, a million
Freaking-
times. A million
Fluffy,
Googles.
fluffy is not as fun. You just sit there and go, no, this one you go. And it's, look it, that means it's like rolly.
Roly, oly, oly.
Brendan, do you want to stay down
Well,
here?
that's
and play
kind
with
of
it?
cool.
Brendan, watch.
That looks like a tornado. Oh!
Daddy, can we stay down here and play as long as we want with our slime?
Okay.
Look at my pink!
It's so pink.
Yeah, it is gonna turn a little pink.
I don't care.
That's just because the
I have
white,
fun.
no, the white glue,
White and
glue
red make-
and red, white and red make pink.
I know.
Okay,
You would have to put so much food coloring in it. I mean,
Like a million.
so guys,
let's see if we can make it a little red.
so
That's as much as
after,
I'm
when
gonna
we
do.
can put in sparkles, which won't be today, but look at this, it like goes, whee! Dad, look.
There you go. There is. Oh, that ain't bad.
That's
Oh.
nice.
That's bright. I like that color. I'm gonna make mine, guys. I'm gonna make mine look galaxy kind of. I'm gonna attempt. And by me,
Boy, that shit sets up like right now.
yeah, it says it forms instantly. Good job, Dad.
It does form instantly.
It does, guys. We
Go get
recommend
your
this
plate.
recipe.
You get your plate,
Here.
Brendan.
Oh.
No, get another one.
We recommend this recipe because give me the viewers.
Hold on. Dada, come here.
This is so cool. I'm getting
Get
to
the table clear. I need some paper towels. I need to get this shit off your mom's table. Or she will kill us.
Ah! Oh crap!
Yeah.
Smoothed out more and
Yeah, like it's like stretchy, but then it can be like come apart easily. It's so cool.
okay, now
Tell them what you were gonna say.
I'm going to be making galaxy slime. Brendan, warning, it's very sticky, so don't get frustrated.
I know.
okay. Excess water, right?
Yes.
Excess water, drain off.
Oh, fine. Going in there with it.
You know, push my slime.
You may lose a little bit, but it's not like
So we are going to show you the rest. Well, no. We were actually trying to make fluffy slime, and then that kind of failed.
fluffy slime sucked.
It did. It turned into like
I'm
flow.
just telling you.
Yeah.
Because it didn't friggin' work and there wasn't exact measurements, it just sucked.
Yeah. And this one, look, you can make
Okay.
shapes, and
Now,
it's cool. Look.
you need to start playing with this.
Okay.
Start,
It doesn't dye your hands, see?
Show them.
well, that blue may not, it's light, but this red might. It all depends.
You're allowed to add
Get
darker
this.
colors after like it like sits for a while. For like a
Just
24 hours.
put your phone down, get your hands in here, it's time to get dirty. Let's get, Maddie, your hands clean, let's get this excess shit off the table, because I don't want,
Okay.
oh hell, look at that.
I know.
You're gonna have to work it and work it.
Like
and
I
work
did.
it. It'll keep
Can I
getting
actually do it
smoother.
on the table now? That it's.
You might be able to, just make sure though that you clean the table.
I would
off.
actually do it on the plate first. That way it doesn't get stuck to the plastic.
Well.
Bye guys. I will see you guys later. Bye.
Because